Hey guys, I'm Shivani Patil and I'm at the MyGlamm studio, and today I'm going to share with you guys my go-to party look. I'm going to go in for a beautiful high shine brown smoky eye, and I'm going to finish off the look with a product which I'm really excited about. It's the PH Lip Balm from MyGlamm's Lit collection, and I'm so excited about it. I cannot wait to share more with you guys. So let's get started. Now I'm going to finish off the look with the PH Lip Balm from the Lit collection. The cool thing about this lip balm is its pH factor. I think it's super cool because it adapts to your body temperature and your skin color, so every time you wear it, you get a color that's unique to you.